Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play in your private server on Fish 8 game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up the Fish 8 game on Roblox. Oops. Okay, and then if you want to create your own private server, you can click on this icon. And then you will see option to create private server. Okay, and luckily we can create a private server for free in Fish It. But wait guys, it's loading. Okay, and then you just need to click on buy now, and then you will have your own private server. And I've already made my private server, so I can't click on this button. Again, this is my private server, and if you want to join your own private server, just click on join. And you can also share your private server to your friends if you want, and you can play in peace. Okay guys, and that's how you can play in your own private server in Fish 8 game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!